Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a French nail.
It's the worst French impression
Which means
ever.
a pink and white nail, basically. And we're going to do it in Aquagel. So I'm going to fit this sculpting form.
I like it when you do that bit.
What, this bit?
Yeah.
Oh, this feels nice. This feels good. Sorry, that was a bit weird. I'm going to sculpt out a ballerina nail just to match the rest of the nails. Pinching it nice and tight. It will kind of look like I'm doing a stiletto, but I'm not. So every time you use Aquagel, this is how you're going to do it. You are going to prep the nail. So I've already done that. I've removed the surface shine, done the cuticle work. I put the foam on. You can use a tip as well. You don't have to use a foam. Just wanted to show you a different way of doing it. I've dehydrated. You don't need to prime. You're going to go straight on with your base coat. So a nice thin coat.
Like a summer coat.
Yeah, like a summer coat.
We'll have coats on again soon.
Ooh.
We won't.
We will.
No. Don't believe it. In my dampened dish, I've got some gel residue wipe-off solution. I'm just going to top that up. Pop your finger over here. I've got, it's clear, dear. A little bit of clear. A pea size. Pea.
That's one big pea.
It's not a big pea, that isn't. It's not a big pea.
No, I'm just kidding.
So, question then, why do you do the base layer then? Like to create sort of a tip?
Because it gives you a platform to work on top of, and you know you've got a clean connection between the form and the nail. You can visually see, look, here we go, I know that I have got a clear layer. Also, if you're one of those salons that provides a rebalance service that basically electric files the design off the nail until you hit the clear layer, you can then redesign.
Right.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm building this out, keeping everything nice and smooth. Very important to keep everything nice and smooth. This base layer needs to be thin. If it's thick, it will interfere with your white application. And if it's thick here, it'll interfere with the cover pink application. I'm going to pop that into the lamp now. Now I'm going to use, I was going to say bug as a snug then.
Bug is a snug.
Snug as a bug. This is going to be our cover pink. So it's going to be our natural colour. And again, I'm going to do a pea size. Scrape it off. Brush dipped in the gel residue wipe-off solution so we don't stick to the Aquagel. You've got loads of time. I'm sure you could even go make yourself a cup of tea and come back and it'll still be there.
Like you would go make tea.
No, I'd get you make it. Adam is my tea lady. Even
Adam hasn't made one today.
I haven't, are you right?
Oh, well, you know, it's time, yeah. It says round.
I've got beer in the fridge. But you're not getting that.
So I'm doing the same thing as I would do if I was using acrylic. So I'm still doing the smile line in the same way with creating this brick wall. And the pretty cool thing about this is I can keep messing with this until I'm really happy with the smile line. It's not going to set. Go on, Adam, what were you going to say?
I'm just thinking about something. We got asked on another video whether you could use the Easy Smile Line tool with Acrogel.
Or maybe if you dip it into gel residue wipe-off solution so it doesn't stick to it and then cut into it. I will have a play with that idea.
We should do that in a video.
Yeah. Pop me that in the lamp. Now we're going to use just white. I'm going to squeeze that out. So again, put your brush in your gel residue wipe-off solution and just tap it on the paper towel just to take off any excess. And then we're going to walk this up the side. And then come round. I'm going to make that meet. Don't worry if you like this I'm doing now. Don't worry if you do that. It will just file off very, very easily. Right, pop me that into the lamp. So while it's cooling, I'm going to pinch it.
That's pretty hard, isn't it, that?
I see you just underestimated
I really did.
the strength of Acrogel. I'm going to wipe over with the gel residue wipe-off solution. Then I'm going to take the foam off.
Oh, yeah.
Because I know when I touch this nail now, it's not going to be sticky. Because I've already taken that sticky layer off.
Oh, the release.
You love that feeling, don't you? Then we're gonna file. Normal filing routine. Straight up those side walls. Around that cuticle area. Right, I'm going to buff over now, just to smooth this out.
Wow, that looks baby smooth.
I know, check that out.
Oh, that looks so soft to touch.
It does look so sexual.
Weirdo.
Right, I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat now.
Do you know what this nail needs?
What's it need, Jay?
Big diamonds.
Oh, I think so.
Okay then.
I
If you
think
insist.
a bit of bling, as if by magic. That is a bit sexy, isn't it, that?
It is. It is actually.
I mean, it's like so white.
It is very white.
Aren't my teeth that white?
It doesn't look that bad actually.
I'm going to finish off with cuticle oil. And ta-da! An effortless French nail. There you are, guys. I hope you've loved this video. I have loved doing it because it's so easy. So easy. Have a go. Let me know how you get on. Just drop us a phone call or text. Well, I'm joking. You can Snapchat me though on Kirsty Nails. Check it out. Don't forget to have a look for us on Facebook and Instagram, but everything I've used today will be listed below in the description box. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
So maybe have almond milk. And then Ash says, well yeah, because then you could just buy some almonds and in the morning just milk your almonds. And I'm like, how do you do it? Like, I honestly, when he said it, I thought,
He always does that to
like,
you,
that's
he
how
does.
this is. I can't believe I didn't know this. Oh my god, I looked
Jay.
like an absolute idiot. Ash just looked at me like, as if to
Blame
say,
him.
he said
I
it.
thought
No.
this story was kind of like blaming him for something, but that's you.
He's like, yeah, you can just go down there and milk the almonds.